The China Coast Guard (CCG) has reportedly deployed a long-range acoustic device (LRAD) to target Philippine vessels in the West Philippine Sea, according to a statement published by the Philippine Coast Guard (PCG). Crew members reported that the LRAD emitted high-decibel sound waves that were not only intensely painful but also posed a risk of permanent hearing damage, potentially causing deafness. Long-range acoustic devices, LRAD, or acoustic hailing devices, AHD, are specialized loudspeakers capable of emitting powerful sound waves over vast distances. Initially designed for communication, they've also found use in crowd control, sometimes causing permanent hearing damage due to their extremely high decibel levels. But the LRAD can serve a darker purpose, becoming a weapon for harassing and disorienting adversaries. Acoustic or sonic weapons, including terms like noise bazookas, sonic bullets, and sound cannons, unleash intense sound waves that can be either painfully audible or disturbingly inaudible. They range from amplifying messages to causing physical harm with overwhelming noise. These devices exploit the physics of sound waves, variations in pressure traveling through air or other fluids. Many acoustic weapons focus on ultra-high frequencies, ultrasound above 20 kHz, low frequencies, below 100 Hz, or even infrasound, below 20 Hz. While the average human hearing range spans 20 Hz to 20 kHz, these weapons can target frequencies outside this range, causing physical effects like nausea, disorientation, or hearing loss, depending on the intensity. As we age, our sensitivity to high-frequency sounds diminishes, but loud low-frequency sounds can still be perceived, often with distressing consequences.